Hi students, once again welcome to our online classes. Students, already we finished our second chapter, that is plants are useful, and we all have discussed about how the plants are helpful for in our day to day life. Yes or no? So now it's time for completion of our exercise part, that is in our workbook. So all of you ready to complete our exercise? Very good. So let's start our second chapter, that is plants are useful. Okay. So everyone open workbook and read with me the questions, and we will discuss, and we also will complete our exercise part. See students, this is second chapter exercise. Plants are useful. Plants are useful. Question number 1. I am reading. You also read with me. Circle. Here circle figure is given. Circle the things which we get directly or indirectly from the plants. Means question once again I repeat. Circle the things which we get directly or indirectly from plants. Means we have to circle the things which we will get directly or indirectly from plants, and which we will get directly or indirectly from plants. Okay, from plant body. Understood? Means directly we can use from plant, or indirectly means some process we can use from the plant. Okay, after getting some process we will use this thing. So let's start. First of all, chair means which are made of, also we can say which are made of the plant. Okay, the chair is the made of the directly we are getting from the plant, or indirectly also we are making, and from the plants we are getting the stems, and after from with the help of the stems we are making the chair. Okay, so this is also made of plants, so we will put circle. Balloon, how it is made? It's not directly we are getting, but what we are doing, we are collecting rubbers. I explained to you, from rubber we are making the balloon, so it is also indirectly we are getting the plants, that is we can say it is made of plants. Okay, so we are putting circle. Boat also we are made of, this is the plant body, means wood we are making. Boat we are with the help of wood, so that wood are coming from the plant, so it is also we have to put circle. Okay, paper also made of plants, it is, we have to put circle. Okay, so tires, that means tires are made of rubbers, so that rubbers are coming from the plant, so indirectly we are getting we are getting from the plant, so it is also we have to put circle. Okay, means which are made of plants directly or indirectly we have to put circle. Okay, bag means it is a plastic, it may be a rubber bag, it is also made of plant. Okay, it is also we have to put circle. Okay, so bag also made from the plant. Okay, indirectly also it is made of thread, so that thread is coming from plant, so bag also is indirectly we are made from plant. Okay, so we have to put circle. Then fridge, is it made of the plant? No, indirectly or directly it is not made by plant, so we should not put circle. Which are made of plants or directly or indirectly we have to put circle. Okay, remember these things. That is the glass jar is not made of the plant, so we should not put circle here. Okay, here houses and plants are there, it is made of plants directly, you can say also it is the made of plant. So, or wood, that wood is coming from the plant, so it is made of the plant body. Okay, so it is also plant also given here back side of the home, so it is we have to put the circle. Now come to question number 2. Cross the odd one out. Which is odd one means which one is odd, we have to put cross. Odd one means I will tell you students, for example it is the cap, pen, cap, it is the pencil. In among two, who is odd? Who will say? It is cap is odd, because here we can write with the help of pencil, we can write, but it is the cap, so it is the odd. So like this students, in question number 2, which one is odd, we have to put cross, we have to put cross mark. So first question is aloe vera, tulsi, onion, neem. Then you have to, according to the plant, we have to think which one is odd according to plant body. Aloe vera is also plant, tulsi also plant, onion also plant, but neem also a plant. But neem is, onion is odd. Why? See student, remember you, I explained you aloe vera, tulsi, neem are medicated plant, but onion plant is not medicated. Onion is not medicated. Okay, so aloe vera, tulsi and neem are all are the medicated plant, or medicine is there, but onion is not medicated. Understood? So it is odd one. According to plant, we decided it is odd one. Okay, question number B. Sugar, salt, tea, coffee. Sugar, salt, tea, coffee. So sugar is made of wood, sugar cane. Salt is, tea is made of plant, coffee also made of plant. Okay, these are all the product of the plant, but salt is the not product of plant, you remember. Okay, according to plant we have to think, because it is plants chapter, plants are useful. Sugar, tea, coffee are the product of the plant, but salt is the not product of the plant, it is the product of water. Okay, salt water. Understood? So it is odd one, we have to put cross. Understood students? I hope all of you understood. Very good. Now question number C. Paper, pencil, eraser, pen. See, paper, pencil, eraser, pen. Okay, so paper is also, you think it is also product of plant, pencil also product of, pencil also product of plant, this is the wood part. Okay, eraser also product of, means rubber is also product of plant. Pen, but it is not product of the plant. Pen is not product of the plant. Understood students? See, this is the pen, it is not product of plant body, so it is the odd one, so we have to put cross mark. Understood? Question number 3. So which one is odd, we have to put cross. So now come to question number 3, that is answer the following. Answer the following. Why plants are important to us? And I also explained to you why plants are useful or important to us. Because plants are important to us because they give us food, oxygen, that is air we are breathing, wood, paper, rubber, gum, fibers, oil, jutes and shelters, etc. Okay, etc. That means plants are very important of us. First of all, plants are giving oxygen to us, means that is fresh air, and paper, rubber, gum, fibers, oil, jute, shelter, etc. Different things we are getting from the plant body. So plants are very important for us. Okay students. Now question number next will come, that is question number B. How do plants help animals? Okay, how do plants animal helps to animal? How do plants help animals? How? I also to explain in the while the teaching. So tell me. So plant provide food and shelter to the animals. It is the very main things. Plants provide food and shelter to animals. You see how the plants help to animals. See, plants, snakes and monkeys, some birds are staying on the plant only. So like this way plants are giving shelter to tiger also. Tiger is sleeping under the tree. So like this way plants are helping to animals. And birds, insect like grasshopper and crickets can hide from the predators by hiding in leaves of the plants. So like this way plants are helping to animals. See, I will tell you students, see how the here is some insect are there and some other insect are there, how they are hiding in their on their leaf. Okay, so like this way they are helping from the getting help from the plants, means we can say plants are helping to the animals. Understood? Now we'll come to question number C. What product of plant do you use but not in consume? Consume means to eat. Okay, consume means eat. I will write EAT. Consume means eat. Understood students? What product of the plants we will use but not eat or not consume? Okay, so just tell me. Very good. We use product like wood, paper, rubber, gum, fibers, etc. but do not consume them. Okay. See, this is the wood, this is the book, paper, and some rubber and some pencil. Some we will use bed. We will use, but we will not eat them. Will you eat this stick? Will you eat pencil? No, because we will use, but we will not eat. Understood? So that question he is asking, what product of plants do you use but do not consume, means do not eat. We use product like wood, paper, rubber, gum, fibers, etc. but do not consume. Okay, understood? Now we will come to question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are two types of plant fiber. Plant fiber I told you in books. See here. Cotton and jute are two types of plant fiber. Okay, cotton and jute are two types of plant fiber. Cardamoms and peppers are what? Cardamoms and peppers are spices. Okay, see here, cardamoms and peppers are all are belongs to spices. See, cardamoms and peppers are all are belongs to spices. So cardamoms and peppers are spices. Some crops like cocoa and tea are processed before they can be consumed, means they can be before eating they will go for some process, means cocoa, coffee. I told you, see, some coffee and cocoa, sugar cane or sugar or jaggery, they are before consume it will go some process. Okay, now question number D. Plants give us fruits, vegetables and cereals. Name any three. Plant give us dash, dash and dash. You can write fruit, vegetable, cereals or other things what you know, you can write also. Now question number E. Out of the things you are using just now. Okay, out of the many things what you are using just now, means the by the which are made of plants. Can anyone tell me? Paper, eraser, pencil. Just now I am using stick. Just now I am reading, teaching books. So that is called made of plants, and I am using pencil. That is also made of plant. Means what we are using now, that is called paper, eraser, pencil are the product we get from the plants. Okay, out of the things we are using just now, paper, eraser, pencil are the product we get from the plants. Question number F. Dash and dash are the used for making medicine. Dash plants we will use for making medicine, and in book I told you tulsi and turmeric or neem also we can say. See student here, neem, tulsi, turmeric, eucalyptus are the for making medicine. Here only two dash is given, so we can write tulsi and neem are the used for the making medicine. Understood? So neem, tulsi, here neem, tulsi, turmeric, eucalyptus and everything is given. Okay, according to your wish you can write turmeric, eucalyptus or turmeric, tulsi or neem or turmeric. Okay, so these are the things we are making the medicine from the plant body. Okay, now question number 5. Who am I? Who am I? We have to say who am I. Then if I will ask who are you, you will say I am a student. So like this, who am I, we have to write. I stood food such as cabbage, spinach and coriander. It's called I stored food such as cabbage, spinach and coriander. That is leaf. You know the leaf of the, they will store food. I am a giant grass used for making jaggery. I am a giant grass. In books I told you giant grass. See, sugar cane is a giant grass, so it is sugar cane. Question number C. I provide the birds a shelter to make their nest. I provide the birds a shelter to make their nests. So who is this? Tree. Okay. Just before I told you, see how a plant giving shelter to birds to making their nests. Okay, nests. So who is this? Tree. So tree is the giving provide birds and shelter, birds to the birds a shelter to make their nest. So their name is tree. I cultivated crop like wheat, rice and rubber. Who is this? Who am I? Who will cultivate crops and like wheat, rice and rubber? Who? Can anyone? See, farmer. Farmer will cultivate. You see, farmer will cultivate farmers plants and harvest new crops. Okay, farmers are cultivated rice, wheat, rubber. Okay, so these are the things we have discussed. Understood, students? Once again, who am I discussed. I stored food such as cabbage, spinach and coriander. Who is this? Leaf. I am big giant grass used for making jaggery. Who is this? Sugar cane. Question number C. I provide the birds a shelter to make their nest. That is tree. Question number D. I cultivate crops like wheat, rice and rubber. That is farmer. Okay, students. I hope all of you understood properly, and any doubt you ask me, and all the things whatever I explained now on workbook you copy to your workbook only. Okay, and practice it. Next class we will go for next chapter. So I hope all of you understood clearly. So thank you student very much. Take care.